Upgrade your music production with the best MIDI keyboard controllers on the market. Discover the best MIDI keyboard controllers that cater to both beginners and professionals alike. Whether you're composing melodies, producing beats, or performing live, these controllers offer versatility and functionality. And that's where our guide to the top 5 best MIDI keyboard controllers you can buy for this year comes in. As always, all the links to products you'll find in the description below, and let us know in the comments which musical instruments you'd like to see in our next videos. The Akai Professional APC Key 25 Mark II is a top-tier MIDI keyboard controller, ranking as the number 5 best in its category. Designed for total control, it features a 25-note synthesizer keyboard with octave buttons to expand its range. This compact yet powerful controller comes pre-mapped for seamless integration with Ableton Live 11.2.7 and above, making it a perfect tool for both studio and live performances. Its standout feature is the 5x8 RGB pad matrix, consisting of 40 pads that provide visual feedback, allowing for intuitive clip launching and creativity with loops, vocals, and samples. The 25 responsive mini keys are velocity sensitive and ideal for playing chords, bass lines, and synth leads. The APC Key 25 Mark II connects via USB, ensuring plug-and-play functionality without the need for batteries or power adapters. Included with the controller are industry-leading DAW Ableton Live Lite and a comprehensive virtual instrument pack featuring Hybrid 3, Mini, Grand, and Velvet, providing a complete and versatile music production solution. Ranked number 4 among the best MIDI keyboard controllers, the Arturia MiniLab 3 is designed to adapt seamlessly to your unique style and workflow. This versatile controller allows you to manage instruments, mute tracks, and punch in your 8-pad drums with ease. The MiniLab 3 features premium velocity-sensitive keys and 4 fluid faders, making mouse-free music production a breeze. Its portable yet robust design ensures that you can take your creativity anywhere, whether you're recording, performing, or jamming with friends. The MiniLab 3 integrates flawlessly with major DAWs like Ableton Live, Logic Pro, Reason, Bitwig, and FL Studio, allowing you to control your entire project and immerse yourself in the music-making process. The MiniLab 3 comes with an array of creative software including Analog Lab V, Ableton Live Lite, UVI Model D, and NI the Gentleman, plus subscriptions to Loop Cloud and Melodics. To top it off, it boasts a 5-year warranty. The M-Wave 25 Key MIDI keyboard controller stands out as a top choice for songwriters and beatmakers, boasting a powerful suite of features. This USB-powered device is equipped with 25 mini velocity-sensitive keys, making it ideal for studio production, virtual synthesizer control, and beat creation. One of its key highlights is its wireless capability. Compact and portable, the keyboard can connect via Bluetooth and operates on a built-in 2000 mAh battery, providing up to 16 hours of usage. This ultra-portable design allows musicians to effortlessly carry it to various locations, such as studios, cafes, or hotels, enabling creativity on the go. The M-Wave 25 is designed for comprehensive music production. It features 25 velocity-sensitive keys, 16 RGB backlit velocity-sensitive pads, 8 assignable rotary encoders, and 2 capacitive touch strips for pitch bending. These elements offer extensive control over studio plugins, enabling detailed mixing and synth tweaking. Moreover, this smart keyboard is highly compatible with multiple operating systems, including Windows, Mac OS, Android, and iOS. The Arturia KeyStep 37 ranks as the second best MIDI keyboard controller, celebrated for its versatility and intuitive design. This powerful tool seamlessly integrates with both hardware and software instruments, enabling you to record, perform, and experiment effortlessly. The compact 37-note keyboard offers intuitive sequencing, instant chord generation, and creative MIDI controls, revolutionizing the way you interact with music. KeyStep 37 simplifies creativity with its 8 arpeggiator modes, including 3 new random modes, and a hold function for free-flowing arpeggios. You can embellish your melodies by layering up to 4 octaves above or below, adding a dynamic touch to your compositions. Its intuitive sequencer allows for step sequencing or live recording, complete with ties and rests, and supports up to 64 steps with 8-note polyphony per step. You can save and switch between 8 sequences on the fly, adjusting swing, gate time, and tempo subdivision even during playback. The colorful LED strip above the keyboard provides visual feedback for your sequences. The enhanced chord mode transforms single-note melodies into rich, layered harmonies with multiple voicings, strum effects, and velocity settings. With comprehensive connectivity options, including MIDI over USB, analog sync, and CV connections, the KeyStep 37 pairs with virtually any instrument. The Akai Professional MPK Mini Play Mark III stands out as the top choice among MIDI keyboard controllers. Designed for on-the-go music creation, this portable device ensures you never miss a moment of inspiration. Its impressive 14+ hour battery life eliminates the need for power adapters, making it perfect for spontaneous performances. The upgraded built-in speaker offers enhanced output and rich low-end response, providing a superior auditory experience. Dive into over 128 onboard instruments and drum kits, from pianos to synths, all accessible through an intuitive interface. Central to the MPK Mini Play Mark III is the new Gen 2 keybed, which offers dynamic performance and accurate velocity response, ensuring a satisfying playing experience. The 8 velocity-sensitive MPC drum pads are backlit and bankable, providing the ideal touch for precise drumming and melodic sample playback. Beyond its standalone capabilities, the MPK Mini Play Mark III doubles as a powerful MIDI controller. Its plug-and-play feature seamlessly connects to your DAW, and 4 assignable rotary encoder knobs allow precise control over MIDI parameters like pan and automation. Built to travel, the MPK Mini Play Mark III's sturdy construction ensures durability, making it the ultimate portable music production companion. Thank you so much for watching today's video. If you enjoyed it, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. Your support means the world to me. I always look forward to reading your comments and hearing your thoughts, so be sure to drop a comment down below. Let me know what you'd like to see next on this channel.